Hard work is success to key. With this beautiful thought, very good morning to all my wonderful students. Let's continue our chapter. Earlier we were doing the topic indicators. Today we will continue our that topic of indicators. We have done one example of natural indicators, that is litmus. Now the second example is turmeric. Turmeric is the natural indicator commonly known as haldi. It is used in our kitchen for cooking purposes. Another use for turmeric is that it acts as acid base indicator also. When turmeric is added into the acidic solution or neutral solution, it does not change its color and remain yellow in the color, but when it added in the basic solution, it turn into red or reddish brown color. If you have noticed sometime that yellow spot of vegetable on your shirt, yellow spot is because of turmeric which was added in the vegetable, and that turmeric remain yellow, but when soap solution during the washing is applied over this turmeric spot, it change into the reddish brown color. You can do this activity at your home also. Third example is China rose. China rose is the hibiscus flower. See the diagram of the flower. You all must have seen this flower. The petals of the flower, when dissolved in the warm water or in the boiling water, they give us a pink color solution, and that light pink solution when added to the acidic solution, it give dark pink or magenta color, and when it added to the basic solution, it give us green color. So different color indicate the nature of the substance, that it is acidic or basic. See, in this way we can get the China rose solution. China rose petal are put into the warm water and one light pink color solution is formed. When this solution is added into the acid, it form the dark pink color. It give us the magenta color which show the presence of the acidic solution. And when this China rose indicator is added into the basic solution, it give the dark green color. In this way, by changing the color, China rose indicate that given solution is acidic, neutral or basic in the nature. Now one synthetic indicator, phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is actually the synthetic indicator prepared in the labs by dissolving the phenolphthalein dye in the alcohol. When we dissolve the dye in the alcohol, we get the indicator called phenolphthalein. This phenolphthalein is indicator in the colorless form. It is actually the colorless solution, but when it is poured into the base, it give us the pink color, and in the acid solution it remain as it is, colorless. You can see the diagram given below. First flask is having the acid, second flask is having the base. In the acid solution there is no color, so it remain colorless in the acidic solution, and when it pour into the basic solution, it give dark pink color solution. So your topic of indicator is complete. Till then you have to read your chapter at page number 56 and try the exercise given on page number 55 and one activity given on page number 56. We will continue our chapter with the next topic, very small topic, pH and its use.